Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In the previous lecture we have learned about animation and today we are going to explore page transition in Canva. So firstly I will open Canva. Let me open Canva. So here is my Canva opening. So now I will tell you why you need page transition. Page transition help you to create your design smooth, professional, page, not design, page. Movement between page or scenes in your design or presentation or videos that make your design more engaging and improve your experience. So let's get started. Before starting anything, I always tell you learning objectives. So the learning objectives of lecture number 22 are understand page transition, add transition between pages, change the transition style, adjust transition duration, create smooth presentation and videos. Okay? So, I will open one of my Canva design, plain template. Okay, I will select Instagram post and blank page. So before starting anything, every topic, every caution, every book has explanation. So today's topic is page transition or transition, which explanation is page transitions are visual effect that appears when moving from one page to another. They make your presentation and videos look more professional instead of switching different pages instantly. Some popular transition effects include this all, match and move, circle, whip, slides and flow. So let's start practical. Okay. So here I will add. Oh, here's we have done one mistake. For Instagram post, we have to take Instagram story template because always transition add in videos format, not in photos. In photos also. But take a template of video and then add photos like this. Now, I will tell you, wait, let it open. So I will not create any template because I don't want to increase the length of the video. I just want to explain the transition tool in Canva. So I will simply select sunset and here's. Okay. So you have seen that. Oh, I think it's gonna double. Yeah, you have seen that here's one video. You can also add photos, not worry. Here I will add second video. And here I will add third video, okay? So, between the two pages, drag your arrow, it will show you the icon of plus. Now click on plus. What happened? Let me know. It will add pages or add anything more, but you don't have to click plus or add pages and you have to need to add transitions. So, don't click on plus, always remember, drag your mouse lower and add transition. But you are watching the icon? Yeah, sure. Click on it and select. This all is most trending. Transition. You can set the time duration. Okay. Next we will add slide. It is also very viral. Transition. Okay. So next, click. So click on preview. Now you will see it will show you the transition. Wait. 1, 2, and here he goes. Let it see you transition. Why? Oh, okay. So the length of video is too much long. After that, I will do smaller. Add here's goes transition. We have done the transition much longer. You can see this icon show that you have added your transition. Most viral transitions name are dissolve, slide, mesh and move. Okay. So we can also here drag, select, slide. Okay. You can set the direction upward, downward. You can set the speed. I will select upward. Okay. Try different transition style and compare the result. Here are some real examples. Imagine you are creating a product presentation. Instead of changing the page instantly, use dissolve or slide transition to create your design smooth professional presentation for your audience. Common mistakes that beginners always do. Use too many different transition effects. Choose very slow transition. Add transition on every pages. Different transition on every pages. Use transition that do not match your design style. Here are some pro tips that I will tell you. Note down it on your register or on your notes. So keep your transition simple and constant. Use same transition throughout the presentation. Keep the duration 0.1 to 1 second, or for smooth effect. I have used 2 different transitions to explain you. Okay? Always preview our presentation before exporting. Like we have preview our presentation before exporting. So you have your practice assignment is you have to add 4 transition between each pages and preview all transition. Choose the one of the look more professional transition. Also tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is z.ha_vibe. Add your project here and tag me. Okay, I will share in my story. So today we have learned page transition in Canva. How we can add and adjust. So thank you so much for watching this lecture. Practice different page transition and choose to one of the best match your design. In the end of this lecture, we will learn about timing and how to control duration of each page in Canva presentation. If this video is helpful for you, let me know in comment section, and if you have any question, so let me know in comment section or in my social media platforms. So, Allah Hafiz, see you in next lecture. Happy designing.